Hi, my name is Reese Bandy. I'm 15 years old from Manchester, Connecticut, and this is my bike check. Alright, so to start my frame, I have a United Beacon V2 Core Martinez signature frame. It's been holding up, it's nice, I like it. Starting from the top, I have Odyssey power ends. I've had them for a while now. I like them, they're strong. I have Shadow Conspiracy grips, I'm not sure what kind. They're pretty nice, I guess. Bars, I got these premium Lotus bars, I believe. Yeah, the Lotus bars. I got a Fit Stem, high top. I like it a lot. I've had it for like a month now. It's pretty good. Headset, I got a FSA with like 2 random bearings. I care less what they are. I got Scavenger flat iron forks, and connected to that is a Animal RS rim to a Odyssey Vendero 2 hub. My tires I'm running are Odyssey Chase Hawk Sig tires. I really don't like them at all. Front hub guards are BSD jersey barriers. They're all broken and whatnot, but I don't care. I got I got Animal Butcher bags with the sleeves. This one's broken, but whatever. Alright, moving down, I have Stolen Team Cranks. I mean, I've had them for a year. They're holding up. This brand new Primo JJ pedal. The Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. I've broken it a few times, but it's holding up. I got a old MDS Odyssey sprocket. Flip backwards because I'm cool like that. I got a Bone Death seat. Don't really like it. To a Demolition seat post. My back wheel setup right now currently is a Demolition rim laced to an Alienation hub with BSD guards and more Animal Butcher pegs. That's pretty much my setup. Yeah. Got a little carbon fiber spacer in there. That's all good. And now for some clips. And that was my bike check. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Reese Bandy 25 and be on the lookout for more items coming this spring.